Welcome to the random videos of Tyler Roy. And away we go! This is the day 3, and we are leaving this place they call a resort. It's a good place, except for the pillows. Pillows were terrible. We're gonna go eat, we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna make some other random videos, and it's gonna be a good time. That's the view.
Is it Friday today or Thursday? Friday, right?
Yeah, it is Friday. Breakfast. I love it that way too. He doesn't like the yolk, right?
The yolk. Just baby chicken. Colombia.
Good bite. So we're at that breakfast place. And look who's been here. This guy. This guy. So we're getting gas. We just left Marble Falls and we're heading back to San Marcos. We're going to have a good time. Have a good time. The place we just ate breakfast was really good. Peace. Say peace.
Cheese.
Peace.
Cheese.
Peace.
Cheese.
Say peace.
What?
Say peace.
Cheese.
You know his old cars.
It may be cool enough outside, but this is Texas Harley Davidson.
I missed them all.
Pizza! For everyone!
Pizza!
I
love this thing! Oh my God, I love this pizza! I love this pizza! I love it!
Central Texas Harley Davidson's all thirsty as
We're back at the Casa. That's it. So we just went to the store and bought our milk for our gallon challenge we're gonna do later, and that's gonna be another video. But we just bought our milk for it, and it's gonna be a good one, right, Jack? Yeah. Well, we just did the gallon challenge, and you'll have to watch the gallon challenge video. Random video to see how we did. Now we're gonna cook some bratwurst, cook out, eat some bratwurst, and I don't know. Yeah! Watch the other random video. Watch it to make sure to see how we did on the gallon challenge. You gotta watch it. Okay, now we're starting to grill. We're gonna grill some bratwursts. Let a good rolling first. Wally, there he is. Keep him watch. Make sure nobody steals the grill.